my dark feminine energy, and the biggest part of dark feminine energy is seduction and sexual energy. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Feminine energy, light and dark, you need to balance both. You need to be more on your light than on your dark. Dark comes on specific situations. So this whole face thing, the way people usually say it, it takes away so much energy. It's not worth it, according to me. It's not worth it. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to church and I'm close to being late. The road is really busy on a Sunday. This is usually the most loneliest 15 to 20 minutes of my life on my way to church. But today I just feel like talking. Normally I usually listen to YouTube videos as someone maybe. But today I've chosen to just talk. So now to aboda wanadhani mimi naenda mahali. Hey, let me tell you, nowadays I dress well when I go to church. Like I put effort because I don't feel like going to church most of the time. I'm just like, ugh, why though? So could you encourage? I usually like dress up. Ooh, look at that with my goddamn heels. I'm about to walk 20 minutes. But I was thinking, like, as a creator, it is always you're always in a constant mode of giving and giving and giving, and someone is ahead of me, and I'm sure nashanga kwani ndio maana do. So acha tumpite. One thing about wearing heels, hazitaki haraka. Now I'm here. I was trying to rush na shina nikiteguka. So, as I was saying, as a creator, you're always in a constant mode of giving. And sometimes unalaku huyo mtu waku to pour into you. Especially, it's really nice if you have like friends who are creators like you, because now they understand what you're going through. They pour into you. That's why most of us creators, unapata, you end up being burn out so fast. Damn. The brows are browsing. Can I ever stop looking at myself? I need to give you guys content. So I was having this conversation with my friend about celibacy, and just sex life and stuff. And of course, as a Christian, umelelewa ukijua, you do not have sex before marriage, and then you grow up and then you try to be rebellious and all. And in the previous videos I was mentioning how my dark feminine energy, and the biggest part of dark feminine energy is seduction and sexual energy, so that accepting that part of me now that I've denied it all the years of my life, basically. Wacha tupite huyu mtu kwenye analima na ananistea. Yeah, the dark feminine energy is basically the seduction and accepting that energy and knowing how to control it and not it controlling you. So I'm on that journey because when you grow up and then all this happened to you, you start having shame. You cannot carry shame and be part of the dark feminine energy. There is a really thin line between like when you want to be all this pure person living a pure life, and then when you get married you don't know how to, I actually look good. Yeah. You don't know how to take that energy and be in it and accept the power of it, Yeah, and I've actually had the story of someone who was like this Christian lady. You got married a virgin. Nowadays I hear men don't even like virgins, and I'm like, okay, it's the world we live in. And then you think like when you get married, uta switch to button up and everything will be fine, and you'll be this gorgeous lady in the bedroom. But no, you'll end up her body did not respond in marriage. And of course, like, it's quite important when it comes to marriage, and they divorced. Actually, yeah. And sometimes I'm like, I want to be pure for God, but at the same time I want to explore this side. But what is the right way of exploring it without affecting your purity and affecting your relationship with God? Almost there in church. I'm sure you can hear my pastor in the background, and I preach Bible study. So I was saying, how can you explore and accept? Basically, just not exploring in the sense of like whole face, because I realized I was using this word so uselessly. Because honestly, let me tell you, me, I can't be part of this whole face lifestyle, because I know myself. I've been so rooted in this Christian journey, and so I was basically asking, what is the thin line between like remaining pure and at the same time you're accepting this other side of you, so that when you get married and you have your husband, you are ready to perform, your body is able to like, to act. And she ended up divorcing, and then she started this dark feminine era of hers, and now she's literally making money out of it and teaching women how to basically accept that side of them. That was her story. But for me, on the other side, celibacy is like my comfort zone. It is very easy for me to shut down men and just be like, I don't need y'all. But now it comes to that point where you're able to date, but at the same time you are pure and you're dating. Like, you get to know different people, but at the same time you maintain your purity journey. I just don't know the balance between that place. I just don't know the balance, and I'm just like, it's very easy for me to be celibate and just not interact with the men. I feel like I can be a nun at this point. But I don't know how to control my dark feminine energy while I'm dating at the same time. I don't know how to control that energy. That's basically what I'm saying. Otherwise, you can't make sense to you guys. But yeah, so that is the conversation I was having with the friend. I'll appreciate it if you leave your comment in the comment section. And yeah, and I feel like this whole face thing, the way people usually say it, it takes away so much energy. It's not worth it. According to me, it's not worth it. So yeah, sometimes I'm like, should I pray about it? Will God understand? Of course he will, because he's my father, and he basically has this desire in me to get to understand that journey. I'm just confused. I'm just so confused. And I wanna date, but at the same time I wanna be celibate. But I haven't met such a man who's like in their celibacy journey. Most of them are just out here doing the most and using their other heads to think. Let me just go to church and then I'll find time and articulate my thoughts so that I can bring my point vizuri. Let's go to church. Yeah, the lighting is basically behind me, but there's no way I can walk backwards na niko na heels. Let me tell you another thing about wearing heels. It forces you to be present. Like, you have to be present in each and every step, because utastukia tu shup umeteguka. And now I'm tired. Mimi nakwambia nikifika kwa gate tu hivi, remove my shoes, I walk. I've forgotten how to walk in heels. I don't know, because I guess nowadays I don't go stembeangi sana, sina mahali pa kuenda na heels. Anyway guys, I'm coming from church. Actually, I'm really doubting if I'm going to put the clips I've filmed about celibacy and stuff. I feel like nimekuwa so intimate and so vulnerable, and giving yourself out there, everybody just be knowing your business and you don't know theirs because they did not choose to be YouTubers. Sun is sunning. I hope you guys wear sunscreen, because mimi hakuna vile natembea bila sunscreen on my face. If you do not have a sunscreen, you should come. I sell you one. 2,650. Around Apple. Or 2,700. Yeah. Hey, mkono imechoka. I'm home, guys. Mbona na glow? Mama ni mimi tu. I'm actually thinking of nimalize hii video na talking about dark feminine energy, because now that was part of my conversation with the sexual energies and what, accepting your dark side. Yeah, so I'll finish this video with that. For now, acha niende nikatulie bana. There is so much music in this compound. Okay, I'm home. Hi guys, so it's time for me to probably end this video, and I've actually edited the previous clips of this video that we've just seen before you came here, and I think I actually put my point across very, very well. I'm very, very proud of myself. Now that I've said that, another thing nowadays I like doing is actually telling people that I'm proud of you. It's very rare for you to get people actually being appreciated. So I'm always happy telling someone, oh, I'm so proud of you. It's a culture I've actually done for myself. So it would be nice if you take that culture. Just be telling random people I'm proud of you for every little achievement, every little thing they tell you, Yeah, so I also realized, oh no, that cow is really doing the most. I also realized that I only mentioned that the dark feminine energy is mostly about the sexual and the seductive part of you, but it's not just that. You'll have to forgive me with the goddamn cows. They probably want attention. Kuna other things like, you are in your dark feminine energy when you are setting boundaries, because you don't set boundaries being that soft. in the light feminine energy. You know, when you are, it's your masculine side. Your dark feminine energy is when you're in work, when you are competing to do something, when you are doing your dark colors makeup, that is dark feminine energy. When you're doing the sharp eyes and eyebrows, that is the dark feminine energy. When you have that stand serious face, that resting bitch face, you're in your dark feminine energy. When it's your serious side, when you're in danger, for example, when you're in a lonely road, you're not there like being in your light, bubbly, happy, in your light feminine energy. No, you are actually in your dark side. When you're in your action side, not the relaxed, like the light feminine energy. So it's actually important for both of us to know how to balance the light and the dark energy. The dark feminine energy, you actually switch it in specific occasions like the ones that I've just mentioned, but 90% of the time we are ought to be on our light feminine energy, which is the bubbly, happy side of us. You know, you only switch to the dark when it's needed. So I actually didn't know about the dark feminine energy. All I knew is just feminine energy. I didn't know kuna light and dark, and I actually just realized this the dark feminine energy pia ni the wearing of the dark colors. That's why they usually tell someone when you're going on a date, wear the bright pink, colorful, so that you look more on the light. You know, you wear the dark colors when you're going to work and neutrals to work, but when you're going on a date, you're wearing the light colors. You know, so I didn't know about the dark feminine energy until this year on YouTube, of course, University of YouTube, and it was nice. I started exploring it and I realized that I'm mostly on my dark energy, which is not nice. It's that closed up, serious thing. Nobody wants a girl who's like that, especially when you're trying to date around. You are supposed to be, and that's because of your growing up, maybe trauma. It's your attacking side. You're just ready to attack. Your defensive side, that side is supposed to be out in specific occasions. And now I'm learning to be more light, actually intentionally learning how to smile, because let me tell you, I only smile on this video. Outside I'm this serious girl. So yeah, at least now I'm at the same time I'm tapping into the specific sexual seductive side. I'm also front with my light feminine energy. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Damn, I've really talked about this feminine energy, the dark side. And yeah, so in the beginning I was just basically tapping onto the seductive part. That's where I'm learning how to tap and accept and appreciate, but it doesn't mean the other sides are dead. I'm just learning to be more bubbly and a happy girl. You know, so I hope you've got something out of this video about the dark feminine energy. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and comment down below if you love more content on feminine energy, light and dark. You need to balance both. You need to be more on your light than on your dark. Dark comes on specific situations. So yeah, bye guys, adios.